So we're on our golf buggy at Bluestone Park here in Wales, and we're sat at the back in a 6-seater. 2 seats at the back, well 4 seats in the back and then 2 up front. And my son, who is 17, has just passed his driving test and he's driving. A really good way to get around the park in a golf buggy. You don't get these at centre parks, and if you did, there'd be about another £500 more on your bill. Have you been to Bluestone Park? Why not come along to Bluestone Park, Pembrokeshire, Wales? So welcome to Bluestone Resort, Wales. This is a view that you don't see when you get to the resort, so I just thought I'd explain where things are for you. So on the left hand side we can see some roller coasters. That was Oakwood Theme Park, which is now closed, but someone else has bought it and they're looking to reopen that in the near future. So you'll be able to stay here and then go to the park as well. Whether they do that for a combined price, I don't know. But the dome that you can see, the oval shaped dome, that is the 𝐉𝐸𝐬𝐻 Dome, which I'll put some video up now of. There's basically high ropes there for children, a few cafes, and some buggies and things, and a waffle bar. And then next to that is the 𝐼𝐻𝐸𝐻, and that's where we play table tennis. There's soft play in there as well, and there's also some high ropes. And at the back of that, that's the new development, the new houses, which are all detached. There's some bungalows in there as well. And then you've got the tournament field, you've got some football nets all around the site, you've got volleyball nets as well, and as you've already seen, there's the golf buggies. The golf buggies basically are a game changer because things are so far apart. It's great to have the golf buggies around so you can get to different places. And just so you can see there, next to the lake pond, is to the left of it is the village. And that's where the pub is and the shop, which is really well stocked. So yeah, so these houses below the village, these are the older properties. Still very, very good, but not as good as the other ones, which I'll give you a tour around next. So here we have the car parks in the foreground. That's where you can park your car. And the dome in front of you that's basically the swimming pool, and then behind that the oval dome, that's the 𝐉𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐻 Dome. Next to that is the 𝐼𝐻𝐸𝐻, that round top shaped building, and in the background you've got the fun theme park that's not open at the moment, and then behind that is the new houses. Great to get around, and I'm going to show you in our property, which was number 28, and right at the far back. And here we go. So every house, especially the 2 stories, have a sunroom with this glass balcony there, and it opens fully. And you've got a little snug as well, 2 seats and a TV. This is the kitchen, and we go up the stairs from the front door. Another little window. And it opens out, so you're up, so your kitchen and your living room is upstairs, bedrooms are downstairs. Decent fridge freezer, a Neff oven, although we did question about the oven gloves, there needed to be more oven gloves. Recycling, every single recycling bit for your storage for your food, little pantry drawer. And this is your lounge, big TV, Got 3 bedrooms downstairs, bedroom 1, and then bedroom 2, 2 twins, and then a master suite which I'll show you later. So we've come to the end of our stay here at Merlin's Crest, number 28 at Bluestone Park. And I just wanted to highlight a couple of things in the property that we fed back to Bluestone. And one is this. So this is the kitchen, as you can gather, but this is where your cups and your glasses and your cutlery and your plates, etc. are found in this drawer, which is an absolute pain to open and close, and all the way down there. Would have been great to put them up there on that wall, even on a shelf. And to close it, it's a right finicky thing. You've got to kind of get it at an angle so it doesn't clip out and take your fingers off. So I've fed that back. The other one is you only get one chopping board. So when you put things on the chopping board, it moves around. It's not great at all. So I fed those things back, and the recycling bins inside, they're okay, but it's just a bit of a faff, and an actually food waste only bag, which, well, basically it stinks. So I think that's it up here. The rest of the lounge is okay. The lighting's not great, as you can tell. There's no lights in the ceiling, just at the side. But I'll show you the shower and the ensuite next. I mean, it has been great, don't get me wrong, but just these little things just a bit annoying. Yeah. Fair play to anyone who's got young children, great. These are a great addition, but when you've not, having a stair gate to open twice up the stairs is a bit of a bad head. So this is the ensuite. You see, toilet, 2 sinks, shower, no door, no door, no door. Some people might like it, some people don't. So when you've got a really nice ensuite like this, you'd at least put a shelf in the shower. Come on, Bluestone. Other than that, spot on. Thank you, Bluestone, for an amazing week. It's been awesome.